Hello and welcome to Flypager Stage. My name is Chris, and the best way for me to explain Flypager Stage's application for your organization is to quickly share what motivated me to create it in the first place. At my church, we have organized flows at our service, and it's important to our church, as it may be for your organization also, to ensure that your morning program keeps to a certain time. And we realized that providing a countdown for those on stage help achieve that goal. And so we've tried a number of apps out there. They've worked great at counting down to a specific time. However, they didn't provide a way to queue up multiple timers in advance. So for example, once the countdown to the teaching ended, I had to manually enter a new time on the spot. So imagine doing this about 7 to 10 times mid-service. And now that we use Flypager Stage, we can queue up timers for every segment of our service well in advance. Doing this gave us a great peace of mind to our producers and to the people who were presenting on stage. And the cool part is that this is a cloud-based application, which means you can have as many timer displays as you want on any type of device. So open up a browser on any device, like a tablet, a phone, a PC, and go to your dedicated signage link. Now, here's a quick overview of how it works. First, this is the main page of Flypager. We have our admin login, which will give you access to the main control panel for Stage, and the volunteer login, which gives you quick access to the Stage clock display. Let's go into the volunteer login first and type in our church or our organization short name. And let's check out display 1. Here is a default look at how the countdown clock looks like. Up here we have the server time, in the middle we have our countdown clock, and on the bottom we have our label for the timer. Now let's go back to our control panel. Here is a display of our control panel. In this block we will be adding our timers, and in this block is our queue of timers. So once timer 1 has reached 9:30, I can click on this timer, hit remove, and it'll begin counting down to our next timer. If you want to change details on your timer, like for instance, if I want to change 9:35 to 9:40, I can click on the timer, click edit, hit OK, and then change this time to 9:40. It'll make that update instantly. Now, if I want to add another timer to the queue, just go back into this block, time to talk to, and then let's make this timer for 9:50 p.m. Send. That timer is now ready for the next queue. And let's say I hit 9:40, I want to remove the timer, hit remove. Flypager will then begin counting down to that next timer. The great thing about Flypager is that you're not tied to just one set of queued timers. You can have up to 3. And this is ideal for venues that have multiple presentations happening all at once in one building. Or maybe you have a few, like if you're a church, if you have a few places where you have messages going on or services going on at the same time, you can use one account and be able to have your timers independently.